Hey, what are you doing?
Drawing.
On what? Yeah?
Yeah.
Who gave you that?
Cheryl.
Grandma Cheryl?
Yeah.
Is that a good present?
Yeah.
What do you need to tell her?
Thank you.
What are you drawing?
My name.
Let's see. In different colors?
Yep.
What's next?
Blue.
What letter's next?
Me. I'm gonna do an uppercase.
Okay.
Stay.
What's that spell?
Brian.
Good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye.